What's up everybody, my name is Eric, I'm that one guy. Welcome to my garage, aka my studio. Now I'm out here in my element so we can talk about riding gear, specifically the REAX Fairmount 2 riding shirt. Now earlier this year, when I was looking for a new riding jacket, I was in search of something that I could wear year round that didn't look like I was ready to hit the track and wasn't going to break the bank. Before I started this search, I didn't even really know what a riding shirt was, but it seemed to check off a lot of boxes. So let's take a close look at the riding shirt I ended up buying and see how many boxes it checks off. Now at just over $200 already, you're looking at a good value as far as riding jackets go. And I'd venture to say that this shirt provides a lot of similar features that you're going to find in the jacket. But I've worn my Fairmount 2 in public and there aren't necessarily any flashing lights or red flags going off that make this stand out as a piece of protective equipment. But with CE level elbow and shoulder armor and optional back protector pocket and AA rated impact abrasion resistance, you're not just going to look good, but you're going to ride confident knowing that you're protected. Now I got my Fairmount 2 at Cycle Gear, and if you use the link in the description to get yours, that helps me out, helps my channel out, so thank you in advance if you use the link. Now style is relative, but if the denim-ish jacket look is something you find appealing, this jacket kind of nails it. Now, what I will say is to be sure to hang it up on a good broad-shouldered hanger, because the fabric here in the shoulders tends to bunch up and it tends to wrinkle up here. The collar actually snaps down to stay in place while riding, and the front chest pockets have snaps as well as Velcro. So they aren't just nice to look at, but they're also a useful feature. The side pockets have zippers that zip down to close, which make it a lot easier to zip with one hand. The buttons here at the front and the wrist stay buttoned, even though I will say that I prefer a zip or Velcro cuff. Once you get the hang of it, the cuff buttons aren't really a big deal. And they do allow more air to get in, which can be good in summer, but not so good in the winter. And speaking of weather, there's a weatherproof inner pocket that easily fits my larger iPhone Pro Max and my key fob at the same time. Of course, all of these features mean nothing if you're not actually safe on the road. And this shirt really comes through in the safety department. The Fairmount 2 has CE Level 2 Axial AX2 air armor in the elbow and shoulder, which are fully ventilated and very flexible. Now I've actually added the Axial AX2 Level 2 back pad as well in mine. The shirt is constructed with a single layered 12-ounce Dyneema fiber, which is commonly known as the world's strongest fiber, which reduces bulk and keeps the jacket flexible and comfortable. There's reflectivity in the elbows, as well as in the logo at the top of your back. And it also has this nice feature where you can button your shirt to your belt, which is nice considering the relaxed fit. Now overall, the Fairmount 2 is very comfortable. The mesh liner at the chest and back help to wick away moisture in the summer, and the relaxed fit makes it so you can layer up in colder conditions. Now I'm typically a size medium in jackets, and that's what I went with on this one. And for context, I'm about 5'6", 180 pounds, and typically wear a 42 regular coat. Now, overall, this is a great riding shirt. I've worn it in 100+ degree heat, all the way down to low 40s. That's Fahrenheit for all of you that aren't in the United States. And it's been great. Are there better jackets for extreme conditions? Sure. But I'd say if you're looking for one jacket or shirt that does it all, this is something you're really gonna wanna consider. Even if you take that it can pass for a regular jacket out of the equation, I'd still keep this jacket at the top of my list. Now, if this video has been helpful, hit that thumbs up, which is the like button. And if you're considering the REAX Fairmount 2, please use the link in the description to go over to cyclegear.com and pick one up for yourself. Now, if you haven't been to their site in a while, I like to use the store pickup option, and if it's in stock at your location, it'll be there waiting for you when you go pick it up. As always, thank you so much for spending time with me. Please leave a comment with the questions that you have about the Fairmount 2, and I'll do my best to answer them. Now, if you want to check out more of my content, check out one of the video links on the screen. Hit that subscribe button to keep up with what's going on with me. If you're out there riding, please be safe, be kind to one another. My name is Eric, I'm that one guy, and I will see you in the next one.